Hey, the sun was out like an hour ago, and I'm like, let's go. This is the middle of February. There's a giant storm coming tomorrow, and we got to check on the bees. We have to put some sugar in there, ideally. Here's our hive. I came out here about a month ago because it was a warm day, and I didn't have any video. I popped that hive open, and boom, I've never seen that many bees come out of a winter hive. It was just like, boom. I got my smoker today. I got my bee gear on because I got stung twice. Once on the neck, once on the leg. They crawled up my pant leg here. Yeah, so I got my little iPhone. I got a tripod. We're just gonna pop this open, feed them the sugar cakes, and I want to bring you along for the ride. So here we go. Nice smoke, huh? I mean, I've never seen the hive be that insane before. But I've already seen some bees flying out here. It's 40-something degrees. There's a bit of a wind. The sun was out just before, and now I'm like, oh darn. This is something I often forget, is to actually put my veil on. And then you have to put on your glasses too. I forget to do that. I forget a lot of things. I actually forgot my GoPro camera, because I was gonna have the cell phone camera on the tripod and then the GoPro camera like right here. Let's try this and see what happens. I'm not gonna wear gloves because I just hate that. There's an entrance up here, and there's an entrance down here. I'm gonna just, before I even take the top off, I'm gonna smoke the top entrance. And see, there's one flying back in right now. You know, I'm gonna trim the foam here. This is insulating foam. A friend of mine suggested I do this, and so I tried it, and then I realized it's silver. It's insulating bubble wrap, but it's silver, so it would be ideal if this was black bubble wrap. So I'm gonna try that. This is a great knife thing. Utility blades. Do I have the camera on? Yeah, I have the camera on. But it has a nice clip here, so it can just go on your pant leg. So I'm just pumping smoke into the entrance. And then we're just gonna wait. As soon as they hit the air here, it is quite cold. There's one on the camera here, the phone. Might crawl across the lens here in a second. But I just wanna, there's a bunch of bees on top of the hive, and I wanna kind of blow them down. When I opened this top the last time, it was just boom. So I'm being a little more careful this time. My lunch. Oh, some gear. These are the sugar cakes. I made these yesterday. If you want to know how to make sugar cakes, go to betterbee.com and type in sugar cake recipe maybe. It's a nice, I like that company, and they got good recipes and stuff. So I'm just opening these up. So I've got this ready. I can just pull this and put it in there. I mean, every other winter I've just been like, boop, boop, you know, open it up. There's a couple bees on the top, and then this is a big question mark. So let's try this and see what happens, right? Okay, that's much calmer than the last time. Can you see the bees all the way in the back there? This is all sugar cake that they are eating. I don't want to open this all the way. I want to keep the heat in the hive. This is in much better shape than I thought this would be. All right, we've got the whole thing covered in sugar, so I'm gonna close this back down again. Just got stung. So I've got this closed back up again. I cut this foam back just to make it easier for them to get into their entrance there. So I'm really glad I had my smoker. I got some bees crawling on me, but that's okay. There's a number of them flying around right now. I put the camera on wide angle, so maybe you can't see that. But this is a much better experience than the last time I was here. I was just shoving I barely opened that and was just shoving the square rectangles in there. And then it wouldn't close because two of them had doubled up on themselves, and it wasn't fun. I was like, I've been doing this how many years, and I still make mistakes. So don't think if you're just starting out with this, I just feel like I'm starting out every year. I'm really glad I made the smoker though. Fired it up. Can you see that one flying around? It's a little cold for them, but they will come out and do what's called cleansing flights. They have to go to the bathroom. They don't go to the bathroom in the hive. Do you see that brown material there? That's a bee relieving itself as it leaves the hive. Here's some more brown marks from the cleansing flights. So I'm going to save these. I'm going to put them in our tool boxes over there. We can either use these. This might be the last time I feed them sugar, hard sugar. We might switch to syrup when it warms up. It just with wacky weather, as I don't know if you know that, but the world's pretty wacky right now. But yeah, I'm going to save these. These will be good. You can use them next year if you wanted. So I'm not supposed to say, okay, we're done with the video, but what if I hold that right there? Is that kind of a cool thing? Will that look cool? Feeding the bees. I don't know. There might be something floating here. You can watch more of me. It's always good to hear from you guys. Thanks.